Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Stella and Looney TV. Today we are doing something different. So we'll be shopping for home appliances, fridge, water dispenser. So we want to take you guys along with us. We show you where you can get appliances that's actually like branded high quality appliances at a cheaper price. Let's get started. So guys, we are approaching now the Rampton's store along Mombasa Road. Just come along with us and see like what we'll select. We'll be asking those guys to advise us on the specs of the fridge that we want. We need like a two-door deep fridge and all that. So come along with us. Tunaweza kuja kuangalia haya, alafu kwa mkona showroom.
Kuna showroom ya
sawa. Basi sio tunauliza kama tunaweza kuja view, alafu like to explain alafu to buy na to record the experience with you guys.
Mfanye nini?
Record experience like a review, lakini tutabuy.
Okay, sawa.
Kuweka maybe social media or something.
Okay, sawa.
So guys, we changed the shop that we'll get our fridges from because Rampton's, they have a policy against filming, so we couldn't even like get the sales guy to explain to us the difference between the specs and all that. So we are on our way to Viraj Plaza. We've seen like a shop called Rebion. I think it's a brand. So we'll just go and check it out, and they've allowed us to film there, so you'll see all the experience.
This one is a silver color. It's called titanium. Yep. And you can check it out. It's a two-door.
How much?
The price is 26,438.
Oh, nice.
Yep. The same. These are mosaic color. These are mosaic color. The same 129 liters. Yeah. We also have for silver. The same price. Yeah. They are all non-frost. We're yet to gain the frost. Yeah. This one is 235 liters. Yeah. The price is going for 47,173.
47.
Yeah, 47.
Oh.
Initially the price was low, but since because of the raw materials, now the food prices hiked. Yeah. These are the first. So these 213 liters.
Yeah.
13. The colors which are available is white, silver, mosaic, and titanium. And golden. These are golden color, but it's out of stock.
These are only remaining. That's for.
This one is just for the
showroom.
Yeah.
So it's not available for purchase. When are you restocking?
Actually, we are on clearance. On the port. So we are expecting them soon.
Because this color is really good.
Yeah. It's actually one of the most
selling. Yeah, it's really good.
Fast moving.
How much?
This one is 38, 733. Yeah.
So that's nice.
Yeah?
Yeah. Close.
That's
It's like that
39
name.
too. The next one here, it's 264 liters. Yeah. The price is 50,589. The white color. Yeah. Also, it has mosaic, silver, and titanium. Yeah. So the list one. There's 238 liters.
How much?
The price is 65. Yeah, 65,043 now. That's a child lock, that one.
Oh.
And it's
Oh, nice.
yeah, it's the
As
highest.
Jamaica.
Yeah.
selling.
Ndio uko na mtoto. Yeah.
In the 18K.
80,000.
Oh.
Next followed by this one. And also they have cabinets. There's a cabinet. Anything like you unaweza tumblers or something like that. And also hapa nyuma iko na compressor. So they are hot and cold. Yeah. That's true.
How much? 1800.
18,000 hapo. Inside quality.
It's a new company.
Yeah. Turkish company.
Oh, Turkey.
Yeah.
How much?
This is a table.
Table dispenser.
Water
How much?
dispenser. It's around 14,000.
Yeah, we didn't get what we expected. Yeah, so I think what the next place we shall just do the neighbors, right?
Yeah, so we'll show you the fridge when we get home. Till next time.
Stay tuned.